Are you the one who wants to stay focused in life no matter what and keep moving towards your goals? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to talk to you about a simple night routine which is called as a night meditation, which will surely help you to stay focused and keep moving towards your goals. But before moving forward, first let me tell you why night meditation. The reason is whatever you see, you read, you talk about, listen to, and experience during the last 45 minutes of your day has a huge impact on your sleep and on your next day. In fact, the recent research have shown that during nighttime, your unconscious mind replays and processes this late night input 6 times more than whatever you have experienced throughout your day. And this is the reason why watching scary movies before bedtime will often give you nightmares. And this is also the reason why reading good bedtime stories is very important for children, because this will not only make them fall asleep, but the repeated messages, lessons, values, and the morals this story carries will become the part of your child's consciousness. So let's dive into our powerful night meditation technique. Friends, this technique includes 2 simple exercises which will keep you positively focused and moving forward at the end of the day. So the first exercise is called the evening review. Friends, this is the most impactful night meditation technique. This is the most powerful exercise which will help you to more quickly install a new behavior like punctuality, or a new habit like listening more, or a new quality like patience and mindfulness. You will be amazed at how fast this technique leads to a permanent change. So how to do it? Friends, it's very simple and easy. You can start by sitting with your eyes closed and take some few deep breaths. And as and when you feel relaxed, just give yourself the following directions. Like you can ask yourself, like, show me how I could have been more effective today. Or show me how I could have been more conscious today. Or show me how I could have been more better person, a better salesperson, or a better teacher, or a better leader, or a better coach today. Or show me how could I have been more assertive today. Or show me how could I have been more loving today. As you sit calmly in a state of quiet receptivity, you will see a number of events from that day coming to your mind. Just observe them without any judgment or self-criticism. When no more events come to your mind, then take each incident and replay it the way you would have preferred to have done it, had you been more conscious and intentional at that time. For example, you can see yourself being more patient at the checkout line in the supermarket, or you can see yourself being more assertive and bold at your staff meeting. You know, friends, this little bit effort to visualize yourself doing a conscious and intentional job in alignment with your chosen values and goals will create a subconscious image which will help you to more easily evoke the desired behavior when you find yourself in a similar situation again. Now let's move to our second exercise. It is visualize the next day the night before. Friends, it is yet another powerful tool which will help you to stay focused on creating your life the way you want it to be. Just by taking few moments every day after you have finished planning your next day's schedule, and visualize the entire day going exactly the way you want it to. Visualize everyone being there when you call them. Visualize every meeting of yours starting and ending on time. Visualize all your priorities being handled. You can visualize all your tasks completed with ease, and so on. See yourself performing at your best in every situation that you will encounter during the next day. You know, friends, this will give your subconscious mind all night to work on creating different ways to make it all happen just as the way you have visualized. So friends, this was all about today's video on the night meditation technique. Please do get into this habit today itself. It will make a huge difference in your life. Friends, I would highly encourage you to try this evening review meditation before you go to bed tonight, and then take few moments to visualize yourself completing all your goals for the next day. And don't forget to come back and share your experiences about how you felt it by using this night meditation technique in the comment section below. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care and namaste.